Good afternoon and thanks for joining us for 22 News at Noon. I'm Rich TETTEMER. We continue to follow breaking news. The state Supreme Judicial Court has decided that voters will have a chance in November to reconsider the 2011 law allowing casinos in the state. 22 News I-Team reporter Laura Hutchinson is live at MGM headquarters in downtown Springfield with reaction.
I'm live outside MGM headquarters here in downtown Springfield, where, of course, word of this court ruling is spreading quickly. I should note that I did go inside the office, and while there are people working in there, there's no official spokesperson who can come out and talk to us right now at this time. But, of course, that is something that we will be getting for you later on today. This is certainly a victorious day for those people who have been working to repeal the casino deal for some time, specifically Steven Abdow, who's actually named on the case. Abdow and others versus the Attorney General. And Steven's actually joining me live this noon. How are you feeling today when you heard of this? What were your thoughts?
Great sense of relief. We think this makes a lot of common sense, this unanimous decision by the court to allow this question to be on the ballot. We are elated, but this does mark the starting point of this campaign to educate voters of Massachusetts about the impacts that casinos have on regions and communities. Well-documented, nonpartisan research indicates negative outcomes economically, socially, politically, intellectually, health-wise. People need to get educated, and then they can make a decision. Thousands of people in Western Mass signed this petition. There's a huge support for a statewide vote on the issue of government-sponsored expanded gambling in Massachusetts.
When the Attorney General ruled against overturning this, did you think that you would have this opportunity again?
Personally, I initially thought, wow, it's over. But there's a group. This is a team effort. There's a large group across the state. They regrouped and realized this is a way to proceed. We had a lot of confidence in the common sense of this law, and we're not surprised, to be honest, that the court did rule in our favor. It made a lot of sense to our side that our case would prevail.
Okay, and how confident are you now at this point moving forward? What do you think is going to happen when this vote comes to the voters?
Yeah, it's hard to predict. We've seen polls indicating more people disapprove. We've seen polls indicating more people approve. One thing for sure is that the opposition hasn't really had a forum to get their message out. The message is just for people to get informed, and we're hoping we can achieve that and get folks informed about what it is that we're agreeing to accept or not accept in the state. And that's the next steps.
And this is a big day for people across the state who are against casinos. You personally, of course, I'm sure you definitely have your work cut out for you for the next few months. Yeah,
and we're looking forward to this campaign and being involved in it. We think it's the right thing to do. We think it's the right thing for the city of Springfield. That casinos are the wrong thing for the city and for all communities, not just Springfield by any means. Any community that was looking at this, we feel that would be better off without casinos as a policy.
Okay, and I should ask, do you have any concerns about money that the state or city could possibly lose if some of these negotiated casino deals then fall through?
I really am not sure of the details. I mean, I know some fees have been paid. This is the cost of doing business. This repeal initiative has been on before any licenses were applied for it. Folks knew about this possibility. They might have discounted it a lot. This is the cost of doing business for the companies, for the state and the cities. This is the way democracy goes in Massachusetts.
Okay, Steven Abdow, thank you so much for joining us live this noon. Certainly a big day for you and others. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah,
we appreciate it. And there are many others just like him who have been working to repeal this deal. And of course, this is a big day for them. They are going to be getting their work together, as you just heard, and certainly putting out their plan over the next few months before this goes to the voters. Reporting live in downtown Springfield, I'm Laura Hutchinson, 22 News.